Tarpon to Swanee.
Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:30 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Swanee River to 59 nautical miles south of South Tower, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on
That
board
came
are
really
wearing
close
life
to Angler
jackets.
Tarpon, bro.
Locations impacted include Azelo, Crystal River, Cedar Key, and Young Keytown. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northern Florida. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast for the